Hey friends, today let's make art with AI. Can a robot draw? Let's find out together. I've got my magic paintbrush and a lot of imagination.
Let's make a magical-looking cat that's cute and fun.
Oh, wow! That was super easy. Now let's see what else we can make. But this time, let's add more detail to our prompt. By the way, whenever you hear the word prompt when using AI, just think of prompt as giving an instruction so that AI knows what to make.
For example, let's enter the prompt, draw a unicorn in space. By now including a bit more detail, such as mentioning that we want our unicorn in space, AI then knows how to create the setting. Ooh, so magical! And this is just the very tip of the iceberg of using your imagination to have your ideas come to life. Let's try switching out unicorn for robot puppy to see what AI gives us this time. Are you ready, AI? Of course you are. Draw a robot puppy in space. Cute! Again! We're on a roll today. This is so much fun. Now let's see what some other kids are prompting AI to create.
A small green alien with big eyes?
Look at that! There it is! Ta-da! The magic of AI technology is now at your fingertips. Speaking of tips, I have one more tip today that's related to using prompts. So we touched on prompts earlier and noting that if you include specifics such as in space, that the output gets enhanced. Take the example of the prompt, average looking dog in my room. You get something like this. While this keeps our cuteness freak alive, let's now use our imagination. How about a super detailed prompt such as a playful animated dog with glasses that cover its big expressive eyes, it has super fluffy fur, a colorful bandana, and is surfing on a giant slice of pizza as it rides the ocean waves, having the time of its life.
Woo!
Whoa! Incredible! Wahoo! Hopefully you kids out there are starting to understand how using AI prompts work, and that the more information that you include within your instruction, another word for prompt, the better the result. Now let's hang 10. Kids, did you have as much fun as I did making art with AI? I sure hope so. Just remember, your limit is your imagination, so have fun with it. Now here's your friendly reminder to comment, like, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you at the next episode. Bye for now.